furoshiki.
Hi, today I want to share with you how to make this gift wrap using furoshiki fabric, creating a rose and 2 leaves on top. You need a fabric and a rubber band. The fabric is 25 inches by 25 inches and the box is 7 inches by 6.5 inches. You put the box at the center diagonally. Fold one corner up and then an adjacent corner, and then you press this corner and fold the fabric diagonal to the box and gather these 2 corners and tie up with the rubber band. Take these 2 corners, twist loosely, you can either tuck under the bun or tuck under the rubber band and leave the 2 tails as leaves, like so. And adjust the fabric until you think it looks nice. And there you have it. A few years ago, since I couldn't get hold of furoshiki fabric at that time, I came up with an alternative using wired ribbon trim. After you wrap the ribbon trim around the gift, leave about 15 inches on each tail. Twist a bit here, and then braid the 2 tails like so. By crisscrossing them, and then curl it around the center to form a bun or a rose. Since it is wired, you can easily tuck the end underneath, or if you really want to secure it, you can use adhesive tape or the rubber band and adjust it until it looks nice. And there you have it. I hope you liked my sharing today. Thanks for watching. Bye.